Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about this eye look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, you definitely want to keep on watching. I just want to thank all the new subscribers I've had, and if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please join the families. Come on, let's move into the tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back once again. I'm starting off with this broken eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that chocolate color to tap that color into my crease area. And this revolution palette will just act as my mirror. I'm tapping in that color with that angled brush. One side of this brush is longer than the other. I'm using the longer side to just tap in that color into my crease, and I'll extend it to the outer V to smoke it out. Remember to tap and tap. Next, I'm going in with the color Senegal from the Juvia's Place palette. That's the Saharan palette, I think. So you can see that brush I'm using. The brushes you use for your eyeshadow are very important. That brush is a blending brush, but it will not go because it's so big, so it will just spread out the chocolate color all over the place. I use the BH Cosmetics to blend out that orange color, and now I'm gonna use the Revolution palette with this flat brush to tap in that nude eyeshadow. It's a matte eyeshadow, as you can see. So I'm placing it on the area where I'll normally cut my crease. I don't find it necessary to cut the crease, but if you have the time, you can go ahead to cut the crease for this step, but I'll not be cutting the crease. I'm tapping that nude color. I'm using that same BH Cosmetic brush to blend out the line between the chocolate color and the nude color. I'm trying to diffuse that line because I don't want any harsh lines in between the colors. I'll further use that same chocolate color to smoke out the eyes, and I'm gently tapping out that at my outer V, as you can see me doing, and just trying to blend out between the nude color and the chocolate color. To further smoke out my eyes, I'll use this palette, and I'm using that. It's like a dark purple color, yeah. So I'll place that just at my outer V. Now I'm gonna apply the wing eyeliner. If you want me to do a tutorial, please leave a comment below. I'm using the mascara to further apply my falsies, and since I started doing makeup tutorials, I lost all my lashes, but there's something I've been doing to grow them back. Can you see how long my lashes have become? This is the lash I'll be putting on. Please comment if you want to see what I'm doing to grow my eyelashes. Moving on to the face, I'm using this favorite moisturizer of all times. I'm pressing that into my skin. After moisturizing my face, I'll use the rose water on my face. Next, I'll go in with the face primer to prep my face for the foundation. For my face today, I'm gonna be using the Mary Kay foundation in the color bronze 4 and bronze 5, just to have a perfect blend. And I'm not using too much. When I take on my brush, I evenly spread it on the rest of my face. And that's a hack I'm trying to do here. To sharpen up your eyeliner, you can use your foundation brush, if you're using this flat foundation brush, and just sharpen it up like you saw me doing earlier on. I'll then go in with my damp beauty blender to evenly blend out everything and make it look very natural. Guys, please never skip this step, because the beauty blender really makes your foundation look very flawless and more natural. You can see the areas where I haven't used the beauty blender on. You see how they look like my forehead, but when I use the beauty blender on there, it's going to look very natural. Can you see the difference? To highlight, I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm placing that concealer in the areas where I want them to pop out. Under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin. And guys, whenever I'm doing this, it gives me the Zulu vibe, you know, like, I don't know if you know about the Zulu culture. I just feel like I'm a Zulu dancer. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and support your girl, because I'm here because of you. Thank you. Just look at that Zulu girl. To blend out that concealer, I'm using that same beauty blender I used to blend out the foundation on my face. I discovered that this just helps to reduce the intensity of the concealer. Remember to blend and blend, evenly blend out everything so you have no baking, no creasing, and no patches of concealer or foundation on your face. To set the concealer, I'm using Banyan. With that same beauty blender, I'm gonna set the areas where I highlighted with the Banyan powder. To contour my nose, I used the angled brush, and now I'm just trying to blend that out to make it look natural. You can use your finger to further blend the lines out. Remember, blend and blend. To set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the MAC powder, but you don't need to break a bank to have this look. You can use the drugstore foundation powder to work as well. I have tutorials on that. I'm using the Kyle highlighter to highlight my cupid's bow, slightly my jaws. I'll highlight my nose as well, and that will be it. I'm not a very big fan of highlighter. For my lips, I'm using the ColourPop pencil and lipstick. Sorry, I missed out on this part. I lined my lips using that ColourPop lip liner. I'm just emphasizing, I'm trying to get it to an umbrella effect, and I'm applying that red same ColourPop into the inner lip. I've never done red lips before. The things I do for YouTube, please watch these videos. Next, I'm gonna use a Color Fix blush to blush out my cheeks. Like I said in my weight loss journey, one of the things that motivated me to lose weight was my passion for makeup. And on this channel, when I do makeup videos, people don't watch. I don't know why. Please, you can support me by watching these videos. This is the final look, guys. Yay, this is the final look. Let me know what you think about these lips on the comment section, and please remember to make an order for the Zodiac palette. You can get very creative with that palette. Remember to use my link and my code Vivian8 for a discount. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Remember to watch and support me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.